Hey there, it's Rick Khan here, and in this video you're going to discover how to use the AIDA copywriting formula in sales and marketing. Now imagine having a process that could take a cold prospect and turn them into a lead or purchase and repeat this over and over again. This is how the AIDA copywriting formula can help you to use it immediately on your copy, your advertising and website that gets clients and customers on demand. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can put it directly into advertising and start using it in your own marketing campaigns. So let's jump onto my screen and show you how to use this. So before we go into how to use the process, there's something first you should know. And that's understanding how human nature of making a buying decision works. Because if you go against this principle, you'll be working twice as hard and not getting the results you want. So let me ask you a question. Which one of these is best to choose from? I want you to look at this diagram, this beautiful river that I drew. Yeah, I'm not an artist. Now imagine this river, and all you have to do is get from point A to point B. And there's two ways you can do it. You can either grab the boat and you can go in a straight line. The fastest route is always go in a straight line and drag it all the way to point B. Now imagine the effort, the amount of pulling, the amount of tugging, all the things you'll have to do to struggle yourself to get it to point B, dragging it across the land. Or do you think it's faster to just let the boat go and let it go with the process, allowing nature to take it and wind with the river and end up with point B by going with the process? Exactly, I'm sure you got it. You've picked the second one, is to just let the process go naturally. And it's the same with human nature. You want to make everything easy, but going against human nature makes everything hard. So how does this apply to using the AIDA formula? Well, the AIDA formula is an acronym for the process of taking a person through a logical sequence, going with human nature of making a decision, which is attention, interest, desire, and action. And here's how it works. The attention is something that grabs someone's attention and piques their interest. Now, what's important to know here is that you only want to grab someone's attention who is already aware and have a want for the thing you're trying to offer. And once you have this, now you can use different ways to grab their attention, because in a noisy, busy world, people's attention span has dropped. And in a study, it was shown we have an attention span of less than 8 seconds, whilst a goldfish has a span of 9 seconds. So the moral, the goldfish are winning. That's why you have to catch your prospect's attention with something that piques their interest quickly. So let's look at a few ways how you can apply this yourself. So let's say you have a potential prospect scrolling on Facebook, going through their emails, or even watching videos mindlessly on YouTube. You need to break their pattern, which can be done through questions. And here's the thing. Remember, the questions you ask should be something they already have a want or a need for, such as, tired of feeling fatigued? Have you ever wondered what it would be like to get those abs? What would you do if you could have superhuman powers and get more work done in less time? Now, obviously, I've just made these up, but if people are already in the market with wanting to know more about these topics, then these kinds of questions will break their pattern and grab their attention. And some other elements that you want when grabbing their attention is hooking them in with something intriguing, being different from anything they've seen, and being thought-provoking. These all have the power behind grabbing their attention. Now, next, once their attention has been caught, it's then time to keep them interested. This is where you want to hold them to keep reading and learn more. For example, let's say you grab someone's attention for losing weight, and now you tell some shocking story about a solution that helped other people to lose weight in less than 7 days. Or another example could be someone hungry and you show them an easy recipe that the Michelin 5-star chefs use and how you can use it as well using 3 simple ingredients. Also, using interesting facts can keep someone interested and can also be thought-provoking, such as, Did you know hot water will turn to ice faster than cold water? Did you know the Mona Lisa has no eyebrows? Or even eating more protein may boost your metabolism. These again are things that can be interesting to people, holding them and keeping them reading. Then we have the desire. This is now something you must channel. You cannot create the desire, you can only channel what they already desire within. So don't fight against the current, go with what they already want. So let's get to an example how to do this. So for example, let's say you've grabbed their attention to someone hungry, you've shown them a picture of food, now the desire can be channeled through the smell of the food, the sizzling of the steaks, the menu of all the different options, increasing the desire to take the action. Another example is to demonstrate how something you have will help transform their lives, save them time, or make something easy, such as find out with this free guide how Charlotte lost 10 pounds in 7 days whilst eating the same foods and how you can do this too. Or even someone who may be interested in buying a pair of shoes. They go through a website and builds up the desire to take the next step, which finally we have the action. This is where you get someone to take a specific action. Now you'd be surprised how many people forget to do this. And without it, everything is just a waste of time. So make sure you always get someone to take the action once you've got the desire high enough. And it's probably one of the most simplest things to do. Here's a few examples. Sign up now to get your free newsletter. Click below to get your free meditation. Get it for only $7 before the price goes up. Enter your email now and get a free report. These are just some quick examples to get someone to take an action. You could even get people to do micro actions, such as, if you find this video useful, make sure to give me a thumbs up as it helps to get it out to as many people as possible. Just thought I'd add that in as it's me asking for an action, or even asking you to comment below is also an action. But mainly, as long as the outcome you want fits what action you want them to do, that's the purpose of the action part. So let's go through the AIDA process one more time and how you can use it in your own marketing and sales. So in this example, completely random, just made it up, but let's say we're selling a hypnosis meditation to help people sleep. We could start with the attention. What if you could fall asleep in less than 5 minutes the moment your head hits the pillow? The interest part. This is exactly what happens when you use this new scientific approach that thousands across the globe are using before they go to bed, giving an instant energy kick when waking up, being more focused in the day, and no more staring at the ceiling for hours and feeling groggy in the day. Now let's channel that desire, and it's all thanks to an innovative way backed by science. Everyone has the ability to fall asleep in less than 5 minutes using hypnosis, and you'll finally be able to get the sleep you deserve. And finally, let's get them to take action. All you have to do is click the link below, enter your email, and I'll send you a free hypnosis session straight to your inbox. So that's it guys, that's how to use the AIDA formula. It's a simple process to get you to start writing as fast as you can. But at the same time, using this process isn't the only way to write copy. There are so many other variations. And if you'd like to know more, please leave a comment below for suggestions and I'll create a video for you. And as always, I'll do my best to help. Until then, I thank you for your time and stay tuned for more videos.